my name is Anne and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do a back to school makeup look. This is the makeup look that I've been wearing all day, and all the product that I'm using today is gonna be working really well on my oily skin. I usually don't have to touch up my makeup during the day. This is the makeup look you're probably not gonna want to do when you're running late. This is something that you're gonna wake up on time and have a solid like 15 or 20 minutes to do your makeup. This is the makeup look that I totally recommend. It is what the final look will look like. Obviously, you can customize this makeup look according to what you prefer. You don't have to use all the product that I'm using today. You can totally use whatever you got. But these are the products that have been working really well on my oily skin. So let's get right into the video. The first thing I usually do before applying my makeup is put on a lip balm. I'm gonna use the Tatcha Camellia Gold Sponge Lip Balm. You can totally use your favorite lip balm. I like this one because this one rich in camellia oil. It helps to seal in the moisture. It's also packed with antioxidants and fatty acids to nourish and protect. It's also packed with 23 karat gold flecks. This one gonna give you a little bit glow to your lip. For everyday looks, I like to start with my complexions. That's because I know if I run out of time, I prefer to make sure that my skin have some look before my eyeshadow. Because of that, I'm gonna start with my face. I'm gonna start with Nguyen Extra Matte Ultra Mattified Primer with Shine Control. I like using this one in the summer. It's mattifying my makeup, but it's also give my skin a very soft touch. I don't like using the mattified primer all over the face. That's why I only apply this on my T-zone or whenever you have a lot of oil. So I'm just gonna press this on my T-zone right here and on my forehead. This also helps to reduce the appearance of pores. I've been loving this new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. I've been using this non-stop since I did a review of this foundation. I will put the video in the description box down below so you can check it out. I love this one because of this flexi fit technology. It allows the formula to breathe and bend with your skin, so it won't crease or it won't cakey during the day. Even though this one is a full coverage foundation, but I only have to use a little bit of this foundation and still get a good pigment payoff. I'm gonna start by applying this in the center of my face and start blending this out. This one is a matte foundation, but it's a very comfortable matte and it feels really lightweight on the skin. And the shade that I'm using is Y375. As you can see, this foundation give me like a velvet matte. It's like give me like a natural glow to my skin. You can still see my skin with this, but it's not radiant, it's just healthy glow. And this foundation lasts to 24 hours, so you know it's gonna go with you or your makeup gonna stay with you the whole day. I'm just loving this. Now that I have a nice layer all over my face, I'm gonna use Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. And I also gonna use this as my eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna take my Damn Beauty blender and start blending this out. This is such a good concealer. It's a hydrating, full coverage, weightless concealer. Even though it's a full coverage concealer, but it doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't look heavy on the skin. It has a natural finish and it can last you up until 12 hours. It's never dry, cakey, or settle into my fine lines or wrinkle. I just love this concealer. Next, I'm gonna go with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This is such a beautiful translucent powder. It looks like so. I don't know if you can see that off camera. And I'm just gonna dip my beauty blender in this and apply this anywhere I apply my concealer. This one has ultra refined powder. It has light reflecting particles to help blur out pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. This one never creased or settled into my fine line. It just has a gorgeous, beautiful glow, but it's not glittery, it's not sparkling. It just makes your skin look beautiful, healthy, glowy. And I also use this to set my eyes as well. And I'm just gonna leave it like this. Next, I'm gonna add some warmth to my face. I'm gonna use the new NARS Atomic Blonde Eyes and Cheek palette. This one is a limited edition palette. I love using this one for everyday use because it has 4 eyeshadow, 1 bronzer and 1 highlighter. So you can just grab this and you pretty much can use this for your face and your cheek. So first, I'm gonna take this bronzer and start right at the hairline next to my ears and blend it downward toward my mouth. Always to remember to blend it up to give a lift to your face. A little bit on my forehead. It's just for everyday makeup. I don't like to contour too much to my face. I just don't have time for it. But by using bronzer, you can scrub out your face as well. And a little bit on my jawline. And whatever you have left on the brush, just run it down the nose. Just add a little bit of definition. Let's go with blush. I've been using this one non-stop. This is the Burst B Blush in the shade Bare Peach. I just love a peachy blush for every day. And I'm just gonna apply this at the apple of my cheek. I'm pretty much done with my complexion. Now if you're running out of time, you can just add a little bit of the bronzer on your crease, a little bit of mascara, and then you're good to go. So before I start on my eyes, I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is gonna melt all the powder into my skin and create a more natural look. I just love this setting spray. It's also gonna help to make my makeup last all day. Now I'm gonna work on my brow. If you're lucky and you have a full set of brow, you can just set your brow with some brow gel and then you're good to go. But for me, I need a little bit more help. I'm gonna use the Dior Shows Brow Styler. And first, I'm just gonna comb through my brow and just draw 2 lines first. And just fill them in. Next, I'm gonna set my brow with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. For the eyes, I'm gonna do something really simple and easy. I'm gonna go back to my NARS Atomic Blonde Eyes and Cheek palette. And I'm gonna take the bronze shades and apply this on my crease. This is gonna create some warmth and definition to my eyes. I'm also gonna run the bronze on my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna take this light champagne color with my finger and I'm just gonna brighten my lid with this. And I'm just gonna add this like 2/3 of my eyes. For my outer corner, I'm gonna take this bronze shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply this at my outer corner and blend this in. If you like, you can go back to the champagne color and just intensify the lid. For everyday makeup, I don't really have time for any liner, but I still want a little bit definitions on my eyes. So I like to use the Marc Jacobs gel liner. I'm out of this one, so I have to use the small one, but it's pretty much the same. And I'm just gonna wiggle this along my lash line between my roof just to darken my eyes a little bit. This one gonna create an illusion that I have a thicker lashes. You see the difference? It just add a little bit something in my eyes. I'm just gonna curl my lash real quick. And I'm gonna run 2 coats of this Milk Cosmetic Skirt mascara. I'm gonna run 2 coats of this top and bottom. This one has some cannabis oil to help condition your lashes. It's also add volume, lengthening and curl your lash as well. For this look, you can use any lipstick that you like. But for me, if I have a full day of work or school, I don't want too much on my lips. So I usually go with tinted lips or moisturizer or lip gloss. I like to use this Becca Time Christine Hagen lip gloss. This shade is Malibu Solei and it looks like so. I like this one because it has a Luxe Condition Lip Formula with a shine of lip gloss and a pigment of liquid lip. It also has a nourish benefit of a lip balm and it's really easy to apply. It doesn't last long, but you can really apply this during the day easily. There you have it. That completes my back to school makeup look. This is perfect for every day to school, to work, to no matter where you're going. I really love how this makeup look turned out. I've been wearing this makeup look every day and I know all these products working really well on my oily skin. It usually lasts me all day. I don't have to worry about touching up my makeup during the day. Let me know in the comment down below what other look you want to see because I love all your suggestions. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I really love it when you do. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can let you know when I upload a new video like this one or when I review new products. I hope you have a great day and a great school year. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!